Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, I'll show you how to draw Scooby Doo in his classic original design style. And remember, if you need extra time in any step, feel free to pause the video whenever you want. Let's get started. Let's begin with the eyes. Draw two oval shapes close together, giving Scooby that friendly and slightly goofy expression he's known for. Fun facts about Scooby Doo. Scooby Doo first appeared in 1969, created by Hanna-Barbera for the series Scooby Doo, Where Are You? His real full name is Scoobert Doo. Now the eyebrows. Place two curved lines above the eyes, slightly tilted, to reinforce his cheerful and curious look. Time for the nose. Create a large oval nose with a bright highlight on top, making it look shiny and expressive. Let's shape the mouth. Draw a wide, warm smile with a soft curve on the cheek. Now, sketch the head shape. Build it using long, smooth curves, keeping the cheeks rounded and the jaw slightly squared for that iconic Scooby silhouette. For the ears, draw one ear standing up and the other flopping gently to the side. This asymmetry adds charm and matches his classic animated personality. Scooby's favorite snack is the legendary Scooby Snack, created exclusively for him, though Shaggy eats them too. Add the neck. Make it tall and sturdy, since Scooby's neck is longer than most cartoon dogs, giving him a playful, expressive posture. Let's work on the collar. Draw a thick, bright collar wrapping around his neck, using large, confident lines to emphasize its importance in his design. Add shading and line weight. Use thicker lines on the outer contours and thinner lines on inner details to make the drawing feel clean and animated. Scooby was originally inspired by a Great Dane, but his design was intentionally made goofier and softer to avoid looking intimidating. His signature catchphrase, Scooby-Dooby-Doo, was improvised by voice actor Don Messick. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to check out all the other videos here on Davi Toons Club. Let me know in the comments which character you want me to draw next, and in what style: retro cartoon, modern cartoon, or chibi. For the tag, draw a diamond-shaped pendant hanging from the collar, and inside it, write the stylized initials SD, just like in the original artwork. The blue collar and golden tag were added to help animators keep track of his neck movement in early productions. And add a few little dots to represent Scooby's classic whisker spots. Scooby and Shaggy are famous for being the biggest scaredy cats of the Mystery Inc. gang, even though they somehow always stumble onto the clues. Before coloring, here are the main tones. Scooby-Doo usually has a warm brown coat, a blue collar, and a golden tag. But feel free to color him however you like. Creativity always comes first. And here's our Scooby-Doo, drawn in his original classic style.
I hope this video has inspired you. Don't forget to share it with your friends.
Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video!